for a new series, and we've learned a lot. There is a lot in Watercolor Bold to discover. So as I thought about what do we really need, a lot of you, or most of the time, much of the time, maybe half the time, I'm not sure how often, all you really need is a start. You just need to get going. So I'm going to make that part easy for you. What I learned by doing Boldtober recently, over the month of October, providing a list of prompts and little nuggets of things through each day, actually, to help you get going with your piece, is that is the most important ingredient. Your skill, your style, worth focusing on and diving deep into and developing. Absolutely, 100%. But on a day-to-day basis, I want you to be able to come back to these lessons and just open up and get going. You can use your own form of contextualization, your own mood that you're in, and you'll have plenty of options to create your own adventure. We will always involve watercolor core principles: control, contrast, color, composition. Very important, and they always pop up. You always need those. But I want to give you more than that, applicable ways to really get into those 4 core principles, give you an idea to get you going, and then let you go. So you can decide what your piece ends up looking like. You might even change completely whatever subject matter I suggest, and that's okay, because these are going to be simple exercises to get you going in your sketchbook, which is what we're all about. This is for the daily creative practice. And that is why there's more of these lessons. So welcome to Sketchbook Starts, and we're going to spark that creativity in you, give you some guidelines for parameters, things that you might want to apply in order to grow as an artist, and then I'll leave you on your way. As a caveat, I know that some of you might get frustrated because I will not teach you step by step as I do in other classes. That's what classes are for. These are to get you going. They are sketchbook starts. And so we're going to have our watercolor sketchbooks ready, whatever color palette you have or want, except for the color lessons. You might want to get more specific on those. And then we'll just get rolling. My goal, which is a really difficult goal, is to keep these concise and very approachable so that they are a fun thing for you to tap on, go to work, and then really learn how to enjoy your time so that you want to come back tomorrow or the next day. Crack your watercolor sketchbook open. I am giving you 50 sketchbook starts to fill your sketchbook, fuel your creativity, and figure out the best ways to use watercolor right here on a regular basis.